Mr. Mays, People versus Timothy Wiseman.
Yes, William Mays on behalf of Mr. Wiseman, Your Honor. Mr. Wise, I originally filed an appearance on this thing and it was just a speeding ticket. Unfortunately, there's also an issue with the suspension. The prosecuting attorney has agreed to dismiss all of the civil infractions in this instance in exchange for a plea of allowing a suspended motorist to operate a motor vehicle. I've spoken with my client. I've advised him of what the nature of the offense is. I've gone through his rights with him. It's my understanding at this time he's going to avail himself of the prosecutor's offer and plead guilty to allowing.
Is that correct, Mr. Wiseman?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form, and you're going to plead guilty to this added count?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true that on or about May the 21st of this year, you were in Huron Township and you allowed an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle that you were in?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is a $345 ticket. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Judge, he was going to ask me to ask you to for the $50 a month payment plan, if he could, please.
Can I get a cell phone number and an email from you, Mr. Wiseman?
My cell phone number is 313-926-0820.
Email?
My email address is wiesmantj@gmail. That is WIESMANTJ@gmail.com, Your Honor.
All right, I'll do a $50 a month payment plan. You're all set. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Miss Walker. You hear me?
I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
I have from Mr. Jadala that you're going to accept this plea, that they're going to dismiss the plate registration and you're going to plead to the driving unsuspended. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
I do.
And is it true that on or about May the 26th of this year that you were in Huron Township and that your license was suspended?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea. It's a $345 ticket. Do you need a payment plan?
If you could give me 30 days, as long as I pay it off in 30 days, I can pay it in increments. I get paid every 2 weeks.
That's fine. Pay it within
Okay.
30 days. You've got
I can
it.
do that. Thank you.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you very
Thank-
much and have a great day.
You too.
Mr. Dunn, what time is your case? I got you, 9:30. Mr. Dunn, do you have an attorney? You have to unmute yourself.
Yes, I do. I have a court-appointed attorney.
And who is that? Do you know?
I do not know by offhand, no.
Okay, it was just somebody that you talked to
I only
last
spoke with her
time.
one time.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah,
that's
at the
correct.
arraignment. It was just at the arraignment, so it wasn't assigned. Mr. Jadala, there's an offer of a plea to disorderly. It would be $345. Mr. Dunn, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Jadala, who's our court-appointed attorney for today. And Mr.
Okay.
Jadala, if you could rejoin 3, I'll send him there. Go ahead, Mr. Dunn, and hit join. And Mr. Jadala will talk to you in a breakout room. The person with the identifier of EK, can you tell me what your name is?
Erin Kernigan.
What's the name? What's your name?
Erin.
Yeah, you cut out. What's the last name?
Kernigan. It's Kernohan.
Yep, I got you at 9:40. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Okay, hang on just a second. I have an offer from the prosecution that there isn't an offer that if you, is it written as a passenger? Caitlin?
I don't think so, but she was a passenger, so.
Right. So it was written wrong. So it'd be amended to as a open in tax as a passenger. It's a $345 ticket. You can talk to the court-appointed attorney who's in a breakout room with another gentleman at this moment, or you can take that plea. It's up to you. As a
Oh.
passenger doesn't go on your driving record, but it's
I'll
up to you.
just do that.
Yes, passenger. Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice or rights form?
Yes,
And is it true that you had an open intoxicant in a vehicle, that you were a passenger when you were in Huron Township on May the 29th?
yeah, yes.
I'll accept your plea. It's a $345 ticket, including the state cost. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
I can pay.
All right, pay within 30 days. You can bring it live, you can mail it in, or you can pay it online, okay?
Okay,
You're all set. Have a great day.
okay, thank you. You
Mr.
too.
Jadala, did you have enough time with Mr. Dunn?
Sure did, Judge.
People versus Robert Dunn. Mr. Jadala,
Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dunn. At this time, Your Honor, after explaining Mr. Dunn, we're going to waive formal reading and stand mute. He wishes to avail himself to the plea to a reduction to disorderly with the $345 fine.
is that correct, Mr. Dunn?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice or rights form, and you're going to plead to this additional count?
Yes,
And is it true that on or about May the 29th, you were in Huron Township and you were acting in a disorderly fashion?
that is correct.
I'll accept your plea, and I'm gonna assess the $345 as previously indicated. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
I can pay it within the 30 days.
All right, pay within 30 days and you will be done with us, all right?
All right, thank you so much. I can pay it
You're
online,
welcome.
correct?
Pardon?